And we recognize that it's a really global problem. And so we do foresee ourselves going international in a year or so. For the time being, we believe the problem in India itself is big enough, the market is big enough, the pain point is real, and so it's a very unique market in many ways, and so for us to crack India is really our sort of number one priority at this point in time. But, English is the aspirational language across the world, and so we believe we're going to be a global product at some point.
Awesome. So we have tons of startups around the world, I imagine, watching the live stream today. What's some nuggets of wisdom that each of you would give people looking to build something or grow something they've already built?
Yeah, I think one of the toughest things as a startup is you get advice all around, and one person will tell you the completely different thing of another person, so definitely be open to advice because it's going to help, but definitely also use it in the context of where your company is right now, because you know your company the best and you should know how to basically permutate all of that advice and figure out what is the best advice to take based on their experiences, because the reality is that they've already done a lot of F-ups a lot of times, and so you want to learn to F-up less.
Right. Brian, how about you?
Yeah, I'd say for us, one thing I would definitely suggest any budding entrepreneur out there to focus on your failures. I think success is often a single moment, right? You hit that number, you hit that daily active user growth, that happens and that moment passes. What really matters is your ability to persist through the tens and hundreds of instances of failures that lead up to that moment of success and learn through those. And so I really encourage people to see failure as a learning opportunity, and to more failures you have actually see it as a forward trend in your business.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, great ideas, both of them. I think my only sort of 2 cents would be, as an early stage startup, there's a lot of uncertainty, and probably the only guiding star that's ever worked for me has been following my gut. And so that's what I would recommend to anybody out there who's very, very early. I mean, take all the inputs you want to, but at the end of the day, your gut is what's going to sort of help you sleep at night. And so, go with your gut and something might work out. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you so much for sharing the stories that each of you have about your building all of the great things that you're building, and thank you for joining us. Thank you so much to our live stream audience for watching. We'll be back with more great content shortly.